skimmer line. At that point, a little bit of air is not a problem. Too much air is a problem. We get too much air, we have a hiccup in our filter, and that's not what we want. When vacuuming, I prefer to start in the shallow end and work my way down to the deep end. If I have already pushed all my debris to a certain spot, then I would go ahead and vacuum that area. If you vacuum on a regular basis, maybe just a spot vac might be needed at that time. If you're spot vacuuming, once you connect your vacuum, all you have to do is vacuum that certain area. More important would be to pick up any large debris prior to vacuuming. A slow back and forth motion is all that's necessary to pick up the debris in the pool. You can also walk the walls and also clean your swim out.